This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marcela Parker. Amazing 2-halves unit located in a high floor corner on the heart of Sunset Harbor. Open floor plan with great kitchen space, updated stainless steel appliances, 2 balconies, hardwood floors, updated bathrooms, and protective hurricane film. Huge plus unit offers 2 parking spaces. Sunset Harbour South offers a top-of-line fitness center, resort-style bayside saltwater pool and jacuzzi, and the benefits of a full-service marina. Live within walking distance of amazing restaurants, shops, hotels, Fresh Market and Lincoln Road. For more information, review the details below.